Hi guys, welcome to How to Crack the Java Interview. Today we'll discuss about some of the core Java and Java 8 interview question asked by one of the interviewer in Deloitte. Actually, is first question is in HashMap. Is it possible to add key as empty? Key as empty, and how to retrieve it from the how to retrieve data? How to retrieve that after adding that data in HashMap? Second one is what are the predefined functional interface in Java? What are the predefined functional interface in Java? Third one, third one is what is predicate? What is predicate? What is the use of that? What is predicate? What is the use of that predicate? Fourth one is string interview question. Some string manipulation program. Program. Okay, means some program output. Program output program output we'll see, that is very important, will be discussed. Okay, first question is it's in hashmap, is it possible to add key as empty or not? Yes sir. What is the answer? Yes, it is possible to add, it is possible to add key as empty. Yes. Then how to retrieve? Okay, we'll check in programmatically, but key actually hashmap is storing the key based on the hash code in empty string. If you pass empty string, it has some hash code. Based on the hash code it will store, but it is store empty only once. Second time if you add to second time if you are try to add the empty as keys with some value, it will replace the first value. Okay, we'll check. We'll go to our class. We have one test class. Here we'll check. We need to create one hash map, then hash map of string, comma string, then map equal to new hash map of string, comma string, then semicolon, map dot put. First I'll try to add map dot put of I need to try to add one element like 1 comma ram. Second element I try to add map dot put of I try to add empty string comma text for testing purpose, for testing, for test I'm adding. Then that is adding. Then next question is how to retrieve the element from the hash map trace. Then first I need to convert map dot entry set, entry set map dot entry set dot stream dot for each of system dot out out colon method reference println println. Okay, we'll check. First hash map string comma string map new hash map for string comma string map dot put of one ramo, map dot put of empty string test, map dot entry set NTYCT. Correct. Stream for each of. Then we'll go to the command prompt. We'll try to compile that code. Java C test. Yeah, it is compiled successfully. Then try to run that. What is the output? Yeah, what is the output? First the test one RAM. Yeah, like this you can retrieve the element from the hash map. Okay, we'll go to the second question. Second question, what are the predefined functional interface in in Java? Java. Okay. Functional interface is introduced in Java 8. Functional interface is interface which contain only one abstract method. What are the predefined interface? First one is predicate. Predicate. Second one is function. Function. Third one is what is third one? Third one is consumer. Consumer. Fourth one is supplier. Supplier. Fifth one is int predicate. Sixth one is like double predicate. And then a long predicate like that. So many long predicate like that. So many like by predicate, by function, by consumer, binary operator, like this. So many predefined functional interface introduced in Java 8. Okay. The next question is, what is predicate, sir? What is the use of that? Sir, in your program, several times you are implementing some conditional check some condition, like is that number is even or odd, that string start with s or not, like that. So many conditional check is there in your program day to day life. You are using some conditional check by using if else condition. But but from Java in 8 onward, they introduce predicate. Predicate is a functional interface which can use to implement the conditional check. Predicate is a functional interface. It is present in java.util package. It is a functional interface. It is it should contain how many interface, how many abstract method. It is interface. It is contain how many abstract method. It should contain only one abstract method because it is a functional interface. It is contain one functional interface, that is called test. Predicate is a functional interface. It is contain one abstract method that is called test. Test is the abstract method in predicate. And whenever boolean expression, conditional evaluation, if you want to perform, then you should go for the predicate. We'll see how it is working, how can you use that in your program. We'll go to the our class. Okay, just example, I need to check a number is some conditional check. I need to check particular number is greater than some condition or not, greater than 10 or not. Okay, just I have to write one method like it is a boolean method, public boolean test one int x. If x greater than 10, then I'll return true, otherwise false. That is my condition check. How can I do? Just for the normal program before Java 8. Before Java 8. First we'll check before Java 8. Okay, how can we call that? We can create a test class object. Test t equal to new test. Then system.out.println. System.out.println. We can call that method system dot out dot leave about that, forget about that. Before Java 8, Java 8, how can we call? We can call t dot test, test one of 100. What is the output? We'll check. Then after that we'll go for the predicate. What is the output? We are missing some condition there. Okay, we are missing here. Need to add plus operator. Also missing some semicolon here. Okay, everything is correct. Then go to the command prompt once again, cls. Okay, then run that program. Yeah, it is true. Before Java 8 it is true. For Java 8 it is true. Then we can call predicate for this condition. How you can create one predicate predicate of integer p equal to I lambda expression arrow symbol, then I greater than 10, greater than 10. Okay, then system dot out, that is one line of code only. But for this, before that we need to, before Java 8, need to write a boolean method, check that condition, return true or false. Predicate in Java 8, get in Java 8, we need to call p dot test method. P.test method is available in. Then before that you need to add also some import for this predicate dot predicate, then it will work. Then we'll run that program. First we need to compile. Some spelling mistake is there, we have to go there, go to our class predicate integer. Okay, correct. Here also predicate. Okay, everything is correct. Then we have to go to command prompt, we'll compile that code. What is cannot find predicate means import statement is correct or not, we need to check. Import statement is correct or not, we need to check. Java dot utility dot, which package? Java dot utility dot function dot predicate correct only, predicate predicate. Then here also we need to check predicate p correct only. What is the problem? Predicate integer of, what is the problem here? We need to check. We have to go to again command prompt. What is cls? I will clear that. Again I will, maybe we not saved that. Control S, then predicate class predicate, cannot find symbol predicate, PRED, spelling correct. Here also function data. Okay, We not imported that, sorry. We have to import that statement. Then, sorry, that is my mistake. Java C test.java, then it's compiled successfully. Then we have to run Java test. Yeah, what is the output? Same output. In it before Java 8, you need to write one boolean function, you need to check that condition. But in Java 8, you can use predicate. It is one line of code. It is one line of code. Okay. Then we'll go to, that is the use of predicate in Java 8. Then we have to go to some output. That is fourth question. You have to discuss some Spring output, string manipulation output. Just example, string s1 equal to new string of xyz xyz. Then I need, that is one string. It will create one s1 object. Then I have to create another string. Just example, I have another string s2 is equal to new string of xyz. What is the output? S1 equal to s2 or not? S1 equal to s2 or not? What is the output? Output is false. Output is false. That is not true. Both are different object. S1 is a different object. S2 is a different object. That's why it is false. Then second one, string s3 equal to xyz. xyz. What is this? Is it possible? S1 equal to s3. It is true or false? S1 equal to s3. S1 equal to s3. It is also false, because when you create one string object by new operator, it will create the object in heap area and in string constantful area, but it will assign the reference to. Okay, we'll go to the print. Just example, control Z. uh, I need, I'll explain here how it is working. Just example, that is my string, that is my heap area, just my memory heap memory. When you, that is my string constantful area. When you try to create an object like xyz, it will create the object xyz here. It will create the object xyz here like xyz. Then s2 new of xyz, s2 new of xyz. Then it will create another object. First it will create the object xyz and assign the reference to s1 s1 s1, that is s1. Then second one is s2, second one is s2 like xyz. Then it will assign to the s2. Both are different object. When you try to create, also it will create one object in string constantful area xyz xyz xyz, like this. Then when you call the third object, when you create the third object, string s3 is equal to xyz. Once again, it will go, compiler will go, GVM will go and check in the string constantful area, is there any object is there any string xyz is there or not? If there, it will be assign the reference to that object. It will assign the reference to s3. S3, it is s3. S3, then you can tell s1 equal to s3 or not. No, it is false. It is false. It is false. Okay, we'll go to next manipulation. Just example, I need to create another string s4 equal to new string of xyz dot intern. Intern, what is the output? What is the output? Means s4 equal to s3 or not. What is the output? Okay, what is the output? Can you please tell, sir, what is the output of s4 equal to s3 or not? Then we'll check. We'll go to the programmatically. We'll check there. Copy all. We'll place our text class. That is main test class, main method. Just example. String s1 equal new string s1, string s2 equal new string s2. Then I'll put the one system.out.println of first was system.out.println of for s1 equal to s2 or not. Second one will check s1 equal to s3 or not. System.s1 equal to s3 or not. Fourth one will check system.out.println of for s3 equal to s4 or not. We'll check that. Okay, what is the output in programmatically? Okay, I think spelling mistake is not there. String. Okay, everything okay. We'll check. It will automatically give if any spelling mistake is there. Let's see. Yes, something intern spelling mistake is there. Intern, not inter. That is intern. Okay. Once again, we'll run that CLS Java C. Yeah, it is compiled successfully. Then we have to run the Java program, Java test. What is the output? First one. What is the output? What is the output? S1 equal to S2 or not? False. Then S1 equal to S3 or not? False. Third one, S4 equal to S3 or not? True. After intern, what is the intern? String intern. String intern. Actually, when you call the string intern, it will available that object from heap to string constantful area. After calling the string intern, it will go first. It will check that is there any string object is there like xyz. If there, it will return that reference like this s4. S4. That's why it is returning true. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. Yeah, I think we discuss all four questions. Then we'll discuss some more question in next video. Bye.